Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about one of the potential airdrop for the ZkSync community. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now before we move on to the airdrop, I'm doing a small giveaway on Twitter, as you can see on my Twitter page, and I'm giving like 10 ZS tokens as giveaway. Now you have to do some simple steps in order to qualify for this giveaway. Is like basically you will need to follow, like, retweet and tag 3 friends and drop your Solana address. Now I know it's not a big giveaway, but as and when my channel size will increase and as and when I will keep getting more airdrops, I will be passing it back to the community. And to be honest, I am farming currently more than 50 airdrops in total, so you can expect a decent airdrops and giveaway in the future. Now the airdrop that we are going to talk about for the ZkSync era community is Sophon. So Sophon is a modular blockchain powered by ZkSync, and they have like not mentioned which is another chain, but most probably it should be Base, I think so, because Base has a higher TVL as of now as compared to ZkSync, and they have partnership with, this is also blanked, so I think this with OKX Ventures and UB Ventures. So I will go ahead and show you. Now in order to qualify for this airdrop, I will be showing us a few steps at the end of the video. Now if we go and check the article over here, as you can see, Sophon has secured like more than 10 million fundings from renowned investors. Now if we go to the Twitter and check the number of posts, they only have like 11 posts, but I think the team is cooking something big and we can expect a decent airdrop out of it. Now if we talk about the 10 million raised, it's led by Paper Ventures and Maven 11, and also there are some other big players like OKX Ventures is there, UB Ventures is there, Spartan and 7x. Now I think this Sophon modular chain is more into AI gaming, and they should also support some tokens on real world assets and maybe deepen. So because these are some of the hot narratives right now, and hopefully we can see a 4 to 5 figure airdrop if they do it. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now in order to qualify for this airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go to the Twitter and click on this link, and as you can see we are on their website. Now there is not much here to do. All you can do is on the top right corner you will get the option to connect your wallet. So simply go ahead and connect your wallet over here, and as you can see I've already connected my wallet and my wallet is registered and my registration is confirmed. Now I am not sure for how many days this will continue, but if you are watching this video and if you want to go ahead and maybe farm this potential airdrop, then you can go ahead and do this. If not, then it's perfectly fine. And as you can see there is something called as shrine participants. Now I'm not sure what this is exactly. We will need to wait for more details from them, because they are asking users to like just share this post and embrace some final movement. So, and they have also mentioned calm before the storm. So hopefully this is related with the airdrop and we will see a big airdrop in the coming future. So this is all for this video for a potential airdrop on ZkSync era, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.